Sending the right type of traffic to your squeeze page. You created an amazing squeeze page, and you have included an awesome lead magnet to promote on it. It looks juicy, and it has been great so far. You told everyone about it, and you promoted it heavily on your website. It did very well in the beginning, but right now it is hardly pulling any traffic, and you're not getting any subscribers. This scenario is more common than it sounds, and that is exactly what happens when you are not attracting the right type of traffic to your squeeze page. No matter how well designed your squeeze page is, no matter how convincing its headline is, or how great a freebie you are offering, it will do nothing for you and your business if people are not finding it. You may have thought about using paid advertising to attract people and get them to join your subscriber list, but doing so goes a bit against your goal here. We are not saying that there is no place for paid advertising, but there are other methods that will help you effectively attract qualifying leads, both free and paid. Traffic from social media engagement. Social media is one of the greatest sources of traffic for anything on the internet, mainly because that's where most of your audience is going to hang out. Now, you have to consider that different social networks are used by different types of people, and you should know where your audience is. Start by taking a look at what channels your audience is spending time on, be it Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, and others. Now, create a company profile for your business in the social media of your audience's choice. This will help you increase brand awareness and enhance your relationships with customers. Once you have established a presence in social media, you have to learn how to properly promote your content to get people to your squeeze page and sign up. Use the following principles and you'll see your incoming traffic explode. Automate your blog posts and website updates to be uploaded to your social media channels when they go live, and make sure to include your squeeze page in the form of a splash page in there. Post image articles and videos as how-to resources, and include a call to action button that leads to your squeeze page. This is a great strategy because these types of posts are considered relevant by social media algorithms and can drive a great deal of traffic to your landing pages. Traffic from solo ads. This strategy is not exactly free, but it is not as costly as paid advertising and is much more effective for getting truly qualified leads to subscribe to your list through your squeeze page. Solo ads is a way of promoting your content by means of third-party subscriber lists. This basically means that your squeeze page will be sent to people that are subscribed to a third-party subscriber list. It works in a similar fashion to paid advertising in that you have to pay a royalty to the list owners in order for them to email your content to their subscribers. The great advantage of doing this is that your squeeze page will be emailed to a good number of qualifying leads, people who are already interested in what you have to offer, and are aware that they are being emailed your squeeze page for promotional purposes. Traffic from email marketing optimization. You might think that once your emails go through, they are done with their job, or that emails are a one-way tool that should be used for specific types of communication only. The truth is that you can get more traffic by optimizing your emails. There are two ways to optimize your emails to get more traffic to your squeeze page. The first way is by including social sharing and forwarding buttons on your newsletters. Remember, this is still content for your audience, and you have to treat them much like you would treat a post on your website. This will encourage people to share or forward a piece of content of their liking, and people that receive the content will be shown your squeeze page because you will feature it on each page of your blog or website. Include a text URL leading to your squeeze page on your support emails. This means that people contacting you on email with inquiries will have the option to opt in through a call to action included as a signature in all your support emails.